y'all. Welcome back to my channel, The Crafty Closet. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, then you already know how we give it up on this channel, and I appreciate you for watching. Let's get right into what we're doing today. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to do sublimation graduation fans. Y'all know graduation is around the corner. We love to show out when it comes to our kids, so I'm going to show you how to make these sublimation fans. First thing you're going to need is sublimation fans, and then I have some butcher paper. You have your sublimation paper. I'm using the Koala brand sublimation paper, some heat-resistant tape, heat-resistant gloves, and the image I already printed out. Ain't she cute? Yeah, she's graduating pre-K. So I'm going to show you guys how I put this image together. Really easy, really quick. And then we're going to press it and see what it gives. All right, let's go to Design Space. I'll show you how we put her together. And then we'll see how it turns out. Y'all already know. Let's go.
Now, this is how I made it. It's really simple and easy. All you're going to do is take your image that you get, whatever the image is, you're going to add it to your canvas like so. And now, is she cute, right? Yes, little Bria Hall is graduating pre-K. So much life ahead of her. Put your image on your canvas, and then you're going to this yellow right here. This is the varsity font, and this red is the Ramachi script. Okay, so your fonts are the yellow font is the varsity font, and the red is the Ramachi script. I added this. You don't have to add it if you don't want to. I just decided to do it because I wanted to. So this is cute, right? I put the class of 2026 in the name, and that's it. You're gonna put them all together, and then you're going to make sure you flatten it so it prints out as one simple so it prints out as one, right? Next, I said I was gonna do a make it like what did I say? I said I was gonna make it personal. So I'm just gonna go back to my text, and as you can see, my Ramachi script is still here. Now I'm just gonna make it personal. Now this is if you're giving it to a person that's attending the functions. If you want to send it to Nana or Papa or anybody who can't make it and just have a little saying on the back, I think it would be really cute. So this one is going to be, I'm just going to write a cute little saying on the back. All right, let me move it over. This is thanks for taking me to Disney World. Titi, Auntie. She got a nice auntie, child. Auntie took her to Disney World. And that's it, right? I'll move this over so you can see it. So this is going to be on the back of the fan. It simply says, "Thanks for taking me to Disney World, Auntie." And let me just pull it out a little bit because I want it to be on the back of the fan, just as a little, little something, something. And you can add "I love you," whatever you want. This just makes it a little personalized, and I think it is like just really cute, just something really cute that you could put on the back of the fan that shows a little appreciation to the person. So that's it, y'all. I like everything that this is. I'm just gonna change this to yellow, or maybe I'll keep it black. You know what? I'll keep it black. We're gonna keep it that way, and you could do if you want to do love Bria, whatever the case is. You want to do love the person. That's fine. I'm not going to do that. This is just a little way of making it, nice and personalized. That's it. Let's go ahead and press these fans and let's see what it gives. Right? All right, y'all. Let's go. Just make sure you flatten this because remember, it is for sublimation. All right, that's cute. Oh my God, I love this. Let's go, y'all.